Hello, this is the CodeReady version of the Decorator design pattern. Now the example of the Decorator design pattern is reading. We are going to be reading some content from a file. Let's say Words of Wisdom here is the content of the file, one line. We are going to be reading the file character by character, and we're going to extend the character char reader class to the word reader class. And we're going to be reading words. So the idea of the Decorator design pattern is about keeping the functionality of one class and adding new functionality. How did we implement it? We have a char reader class. The char reader is able to read characters one by one, and it's going to increment the index as you read. But you have to control the length of the file, because if you make a mistake or if you try to read more characters than there exists, you are going to be facing with an exception. So instead of reading one by one the characters, we implemented the word reader and extended the char reader so that we can use read word method and read the whole words from the file, words by words. So if I run the example, I'm going to get the same result for both char reader with the for loop logic and the word reader reading four words, with 4 lines of code. The word reader is reading the same words from the file. There are two outcomes, two different methods of decorating a class. Decorator design pattern is a structural design pattern, so you actually have two different ways of decorating. One with extending the char reader class, and the second can be having a private instance inside the word reader as a char reader. Okay, you can have, let me show you, a private char reader inside the word reader, and you can utilize the char reader inside the word reader. This is the second way of decorating the char reader, but in this example, for the sake of simplicity, we have implemented the char reader and extended it to the word reader. So that's all about the CodeReady version of Decorator design pattern. I'll see you in the next implementation video. Thank you.